the best way to learn goal seek is through examples. Now I've taken a very simple examples. If you have invested 10,000 units and you get a return of 12,000 units after a period of 1, that means you have got a return of around 20%, which is very clear looking at the examples. Now if you want to find out how much return you need and how much amount or a percentage return you need, then there is a two-way calculation to be done, which is becomes quite difficult. So that's where goal seek comes into the picture. For example, if you need a return of 25%, then how much absolute return you should be getting is what is the question right now. Okay, so you go to the formulas, you go to the data, you go to what if analysis, you go to goal seek, you say set cell which is E7 and you want to set this value to 25 percentage. I want 25% by changing cell 12,000. So you go here and you click here. So basically what we are saying is we need a return of 25% by changing absolute returns. Now remember, when using goal seek, these two fields has to be connected via a formula. So what I have done here is 12,000 divided by 10,000 minus 1. This is a formula to calculate the percentage return. So I've put in a formula, so these two cells are connected. Now if I want to change this to 25%, what value should this field take is what my question is, and this is how you get the answer to. And the moment you click it, you get a figure of 12,500, and that's how you get a return of 25%. To make things a little more clear, let's look at the another example. So this is nothing but average of above marks. This is the formula, average J2 to J5. Now here also I want my average to be above 55. Now for me to make my average above 55, what mark should I get in the event 5? So I'll do go to what if analysis, go to goal seek. I want to change this cell, I want to change it to 55. Again, this is a formula driven cell. By with changing which cell? By changing this cell, and I click OK. The moment I click OK, I get a value of 60. So if I get a value of 60, my average will be 55. Let's look at another example. This is a little more complicated. So what we have done here is we have written a rate of interest of 6%, rate of return of 6%. We have invested 10,000 and we have got a return of 6,000 and 6,000 in period 1 and period 2. So to calculate the rate of return, the formula says that 6,000 discounted for 1 year and 6,000 discounted for 2 years should be equal to 10,000. Now the rate of discount used will be the rate of return. The formula is what I have written here. This uses a rate of return twice, once here and another time here. Now I want to calculate the exact rate of return, because this is not 1, this is 1.10. That means 6% is not the rate of return. Now to calculate the rate of return, you again go to what if analysis, click goal seek, set the cell value this to be equal to 1 by changing cell 6%, and then click OK. Now it will recalculate everything and give you approximate figure of 1.000000 and a rate of return of 13%. So this is how you use goal seek. Goal seek has got many applications in a very simple formula application or in a very complicated scenarios as well. Thanks. बस हो गया, रोक लेता हूँ, ठीक है.